Hello everyone, here we go again. We are here with the Good Wine project from Thailand. Today we are together with Roberta Gorgo. Together with Roberta, we try to understand what is the philosophy of this incredible vineyard. Roberta, please introduce yourself.
Thank you for the opportunity. So I'm Roberta and this is my winery. The company has been founded by my parents more than 50 years ago. And now we cultivate more than 50 hectares and all the vines are organic certified since 2014. So the concept and the philosophy of the winery is certainly looking for the more representative wines of the land. So that's why you will get the opportunity to taste the main DOC of Verona area. And specifically, we are located between the city and Garda Lake. So we can explore the potential of the land through these nice and different wines. And which is the point of view, what we want to take care. We want to preserve as much as possible the product of the nature. That's why we have chosen organic certification, because we try to respect as much as possible. The chemical intervention doesn't exist because we use only natural product. And the focus is to work as less as possible in the cellar in order to preserve what naturally comes from the land.
As you know, as the Good Wine Project, we normally try to avoid to use all this common vocabulary like organic, natural, biological. We like to call it low intervention wine. The reason is very simple. There's no definition around the world. There's no actually a real vocabulary that is recorded as the connecting word on this wine. But the European community allowed it to register as a biological, and you can find in all this sticker, this little green leaves that is behind here. I asking Roberta one of the most important and sensitive question. Sugar and sulfites.
Sure. Again, the concept is preserve, provide quality, but in the other time be very, very correct and respectful. So we want wines that last in time, but the quantity of sulfites that you will find in these wines is the lowest possible to have a wine that lasts for years. No more, even because the rules we are respecting are very strict. In the other side, sugar as well, as are the natural sugar we get.
So we go on the ripeness more than adding sugar.
Definitely, of course. And that's why you will get a nice round and smooth, but it's because of the terroir provides this kind of character. So you will even have a nice salinity, refreshing mineral aftertaste, and this is a great experience of our unique
All right.
profile.
Thank you so much, Roberta. This is the Good Wine Project from Bangkok, Thailand, together with the Gorgo Winery today. Sawadee Krap.
Thank you.